hippopotamus man in a two-timing world, writes rhythms and rhymes to free women and girls. His radiance shines from his smiles and his curls, and I see his beauty is a sea, but his mind is the pearl. I see his beauty is a sea, but his mind is the pearl. I see his beauty is a sea. Freedom and love is what we've got. Got a lot of. He argues anarchy and of putting up a fight. He says he has no masters, but drugs dominate his life. He lies and cheats and steals, so his conscience is a knife, and he carves away his guilt. And he carves away his guilt. Freedom and love. From the yin back to the yang, we see unity in parts through our beauty and our pain. Sands into stones, weathered rocks erased by rain. What we build will fall apart. What we build will fall apart, but in building we have gained. What we build will fall apart.